Hello everyone, welcome to Altus Education. This is Anirudh, and in the 7th video of the video tutorial series of C programming, we will understand how to use if-else ladder. So let's get started. So first of all, let's understand what is the basic syntax of if-else ladder. Well, it just goes like this. See, here we can see the if-else ladder means there is one first if-else, then it continues with the second if-else, then it continues with the third if-else. So it becomes a ladder of if-else statements. So using if-else ladder, we can provide multiple levels of conditions. Means if the condition first becomes false, then use the second condition. If the second condition becomes false, then use the third condition and move on up to the condition whichever you want. And if all the above condition becomes false, then you can provide a default condition that is given as the else. Means if all the above condition becomes false, then the else will be executed, and that becomes the default statements. So this is quite simple. Now let's take one simple example of if-else ladder where we can understand how to use and how to provide different condition and how to print some statements using those if-else ladder. So let's see. Okay, so this is one simple example to understand how we can use if-else ladder. So in this example, what we're gonna do, we will check the day of week based on a number. If the day of week is first, then we will print Monday. If 2, then Tuesday, and so on. So for that, what we need one variable. Let's say is day of week. So we have taken one integer variable day of week, and we have given one value to the variable is 7, means day of week is 7. So based on that number 7, it will print the day of week. Now in the first if statement, we need to provide first condition, and that is if day of week equals to 1. So it will compare with this one. If the day of week is equal to 1, if yes, then it will print Monday. If the condition is false, in this case it becomes false, so it will check for another one. Means here it will check for 2. If the day of week is equal to 2, then if true, then it will print Tuesday, but it's not, so it will check for the another one. If 3, then Wednesday. If 4, then Thursday. If 5, then Friday. If 6, then Saturday, but it's not. So finally it will come to this condition, and the condition becomes true, so finally it will print Sunday on the output console. Now let's assume if all the above condition is false, then what? Then else statement will help us to print that you have provided an invalid number. So this is the easiest example to understand if-else ladder. So let's build the program and run it. So it provides us Sunday because we have given day of week as 7. Let's check for 5. Yes, it gives Friday. Let's check for 1. Run it. Monday, yes. Let's check for suppose 9 if the user has provided something else, not between 1 to 7. Then what happened? It will say invalid number. So this is how we can use if-else ladder. So hopefully you got how to use if-else ladder. So that is it for the if-else ladder. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.